Hi, this is Manjary Modi. I, along with my project partner Rameshwari Obla, have done Twitter. This is a UI-based application running on the Phoenix server and connecting via channels using WebSocket. In order to run the server, you need to run the command mixphoenix.server. Once the server will be up, you can access the server using localhost at port 4000. With the user Manjari, I have just logged in. So these are the logged in users which are currently accessing the Twitter server. If you want to see that whether the live connection is happening using the WebSocket, I'll create one more user. One more channel will get created and join the WebSocket. I'm doing Manjari 5. So as you can see that Manjari 5 just joined and it will reflect to all other users that Manjari 5 just joined it. If I close Manjari 5, it will automatically reflect that the disconnection has happened for that particular channel in WebSocket. Coming on to the functionality of Twitter, in Twitter, user can sign up by providing these details: test 6, test 6, test 6, test 6. The user account has been created. The user doesn't have any tweets, no followers, no following, no favorites. A user can log out as well. Once the user will log out, user can log in again, providing the proper detail. If the password will not be correct, the user will get error. Coming on to the tweeting thing, say for example, user have tweeted test hello from test 6. The tweet will reflect over here hello from this user, and the tweet count has got increased. When the user will tweet, this message will get broadcast to other users because of the WebSocket. The user will tweet, this tweet will reflect to other users that user 6 has tweeted this here as well. This user can follow someone else's tweet. Say for example, if this user want to follow this user, it can hit here and it will show that this user is following. If this user wants to retweet of some other tweets, so there will be one button under this every tweet from different user, so it will show that it has retweeted. So you can like the tweet, you can retweet the tweet. The user will not be able to like his own tweets. As Phoenix uses a JSON-based API for interaction with the clients, so as you can see somewhere here, let's see the interaction. What all is happening is in the form of JSON. If under webs, you need to go to the inspect module, the networks and WebSocket, and here you can see the exchange of messages which is happening in the form of JSON. Coming on to the search on the tweets. So if a user wants to have a look on all the tweets which are with hashtag, with a specific hashtag or with specific mention, we have given a link over here. So the moment user will click, say for example, I want to search for the tweets with hashtag Florida, user will click over here and all the tweets with hashtag Florida will appear here. Similarly, if a user wants to do for @A, which is the user, then the user will get all the tweets with the mention A. Now let's have a look on our code, how it works. Okay, so for server and we have used the Phoenix engine, and you need to up the server by running the command mixphoenix.server. Coming on to the database part, so what all information that user is entering, it is getting stored in the database. So these files are under this repo, and these are the database file wherein we have tables where the user data is getting logged. Coming on to the channel, so channel basically provides the wrapper to the sockets. So in our application, when the user hits the application and try to connect the server, a socket will get created using this user socket.ex. This user socket.ex then try to connect this room tweeter, and in this room tweeter, once it will get joined, it will call this handle info method in order to process further. In the presence module, we'll keep the track of all the users which are online. Coming on to here, this is the presence module which will keep the track of all the users which are currently online. This whole application is built on MVC architecture. So here we have view, which are the Elixir based files. We have controllers. Again, these are Elixir based file, and we have models. Again, the Elixir based files. So to conclude, as per the requirement, we have created this Twitter application with all the functionality of Twitter. This has a Phoenix server at the server and we have used WebSocket for user server connection. All the requests and responses are in the form of JSON and the whole application is implemented with UI and DB. Thank you.